Hello, if you're wondering if OPPO A60 supports LHDC, then unfortunately the answer is no. This feature is missing on this device. Usually you should be able to find this option to enable and disable in the Bluetooth device information. So let me go to settings and then go to Bluetooth, and then once you pair your Bluetooth device, then you can go inside in order to find more information about this Bluetooth device. And over here you have some settings, and if your Bluetooth device supports LHDC, then in the case of OPPO A60, then unfortunately you will not find the option to enable or disable this feature. You can of course try it out by yourself if you have LHDC Bluetooth device. However, this option is surely missing. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.